Tisha back here again, Vinyl Window Pro. Today is a big day. We're going to be building a big bay right here where this window is. It's a little over 8 feet in width, a little over 5 feet in height. Plus it's going to have a triple glass in it as well, maximum efficiency. So it's a fairly large size bay window. Now a lot of people will try to assemble it, lift it in and hang it off the main beam up top. We're not going to do that here because there is going to be a lot of weight, and if we did hang it up top, the metal cords that support it eventually stretch out and they can have the base sag a little bit. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to build a skirt, a structural skirt for the bay to go to the end of the brick, which is going to absorb all of the weight on the bay window. Okay, so once we put her in here, it's never going to sag down, and then we'll finish it up nice on top. We'll still go to the soffit, but we don't need to hang it. It's going to be sitting right on the skirt itself. 2 casement windows going to be on both sides. Big beautiful picture in the middle, and we'll finish it off with a little bit of nice white vinyl siding. The skirt is here, very strong, full of insulation, all around, foam, everything inside the gaps. You can literally sit on this thing, nothing's gonna happen to it. It's gonna hold all the windows. And now we just have to repeat on the top, and then we're ready to put the glass in. So it's starting to look like a bay window. Chipboard, windows in, foam is in, key element. Don't forget to put the insulation in the post. Drip edges are here, so brown trim is gonna go there. Siding, looking good. Finished project. Looking good. The bay is there. Been up for 2 days now. Didn't fall down. And I don't expect it to for a really long time. Probably will stay as long as the house will. Everything's finished. New siding, brown trim, triple pane glass. 2 coatings of 272 low E, amazing, super efficient.